Hi everyone, Dana from First Coffee Then Colors, color analysis services in the Hudson Valley and online. And today we're going to do something you could do at home to figure out if you're warm or cool toned, if you so choose, and I call it the black-brown test. So black and brown are neutrals, and you wouldn't necessarily wear them as a shirt or top, but if you did, you'd have to add a little bit of an accent. So we are going to test black versus brown, okay? Again, they're neutrals. They wouldn't necessarily be tops. So we have black, which is better for cool tones, or we have brown, which is better for warm tones. Okay? I see, if you watch my green test, I see a lot of the same things happening with the brown. Like, I don't know. I feel like my eyes are looking a little tired in this. And my hair is a little overpowering for this brown color, whereas when I put on black, immediately like a lightness came into my eyes, and I think like it's just much more balanced overall. However, I will say like black, if you're wearing it up top, you want to bring in an accent, like maybe a necklace, just to lighten and brighten it all up, okay? So if you are better in the black, that means you are likely cooler toned. If you are better in the brown, that means you are likely warm toned. All right, stay tuned next time when we'll do another at-home test.